Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. My name is Dev. हम लोग यहाँ पे निफ्टी एनालाइज करेंगे दिस वीक के लिए. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. सो ये निफ्टी का पास्ट वीक है. सो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट, let me show you what we have forecasted last week, because instead of you going to the previous forecasting, let me show you so we can avoid some random comments on the videos, because there are some people who are actually trying to teach us how to trade in the market. And that's great, we never know that. All right, so what we have forecasted last week, this, you saw the drawings, and this what market has done last week. Now seems like magic, right? No, it's not the magic, it's just the understanding of the concept of the market. Now it's not 1 2 3 4 5 ABC, but it's the way you recognize the pattern and the structures, right? So this was the first time when we said over here, I think, where people have started commenting some random thing, I think here, that we are going to develop some structure for the downside or for the upside from here to here. Only time pass out hua hai. Price has not moved so much up and down from that particular point, and that's the reason why we forecasted that we will have to wait for the structure for executing any trades in any of the directions. हम लोग यहाँ पे गैस नहीं करते हैं कि मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा या मार्केट नीचे जाएगा. We just let the market tell us in which direction it is going to head, right? So यहाँ पर बैठकर मैं सिर्फ ये बोल दूँ कि oh, Nifty, if Nifty breaks this bottom, we are going here. As a matter of fact, we can actually move up from here, if you know what I mean with this pattern, right? Now what I'm saying, for this week they will develop a reversal pattern, which means you should be having the understanding how to identify a reversal pattern, and then you can look for this trade somewhere here. How that thing is going to work, because you got this, you got this, you got this, and over here you got this, you got this, you got this. What is left? You got this. But यहाँ पर gap आया हुआ है, so you don't have like the approach to the market to recognize the pattern, but you can confirm the pattern once that market is gapped up, right? So if you can recognize a reversal pattern, this is a perfect place to spot that. Any reversal signal we see, we might execute this trade for really nice upside. But if they don't give you any reversal signal, we're coming down for sure, because from past 2 weeks we don't have a really nice trade, but now from this week we will be having really nice trades, and that will be the trades which is going to double or even triple the account. So the thing which we were waiting for in Nifty has been executed. Now only thing, we should be having the strategy to trade that direction. All right, for those who can understand a technical terms, really nice. If we are executing a short trade, we would like to see this impulse retrace a little bit. If we sell right now, the next thing they will do this, take us out and then come back down. So we don't want that thing happen to us, right? So what we want, if we want to execute a sell trade, so if they are going in a trend continuation pattern for the downside, and if they give any reversal signal from there, this will be the trade we would be looking for. We don't like to sell it right now because they have a possibility to do this. But if we can see as a reversal pattern on the market hours, and then this is a perfect pattern for the buy side. Oops, I think I just drew the reversal pattern for you guys, just in case if you want to know. So that's the update on this week from India Trading Academy. I hope this is a help in your trading. Now keep in mind guys, I'm not giving you trading strategy, I'm not giving you any trade call. You should be having your own decision if you are trading on your own. The only thing I'm saying, I'm giving you my perspective in which direction I'm looking at. So please do not expect exact level, exact entry and exact target from my side from these kind of videos. All right, we do that in our trading room. Unfortunately, that's not for here. So this was the India Trading Academy. Guys, if you're watching this first time and wants to learn all the trading style and all the trading strategy we just have only one course available on the India Trading Academy. You can head over to the website. Each and every single detail is available. This is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much.